I didn't mean to get this, but I did. So frig off with the primers already. Why can't I open you? So dropping shit. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here. We talk about makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I also talk incredibly fast, so if you don't like that, I'm so sorry. Today we are doing an unboxing. We are unboxing this is my June 2001 BoxyCharm. This is the base box. I have zero clue what's in it. I'm excited to open it up with you guys. I have not been feeling like myself still. I am trying really, really hard to get back into a schedule, so I am so sorry if I'm not as consistent as normal. This is BoxyCharm's base box. It does retail for $25 US. I think it works out to about $40 to $41 Canadian, depending on the exchange rate. It always changes. So I didn't mean to get this, but I did. So we're gonna see if I think it's worth the money I spent. Alrighty. So one thing about BoxyCharm I do like is they give you a card and it gives you a description and prices for all of the products. So I'm going to keep that right here in front of me and we're just going to pull stuff out one at a time and see what I think. All right, so the first thing is Flirty Looks. This is the Monarch Lash Pack. So that's it right there. These retail for $38. So whether you're just transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, this is the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash created for an instant doll eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free. Apply your favorite pair with the lash applicator included in your kit. I didn't realize this until right now, but there's two in here. I thought there was only one. So that's awesome. I'm really excited. It comes with a cute little applicator. I'm not going to take these out. I really am not a big person. I don't use a lot of lashes. I'm trying to challenge myself to use more lashes, so I think that I might try and use these. So let me know if you want to see a demonstration on these. I could probably swing that. Then next we do have, so this is Jecca Block. That's it right there. Don't want to say it wrong. This is the Hydrate Primer. It's for hydrating. It's a hydrating primer for your face. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free, made in the UK. I'm going to read the little card. Finally, a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. This retails for $20 US. I will have to try this, but it seems very small. I don't know. So primers are hard because sometimes you get really big sizes and sometimes they're really small. It is sealed, so I'm not going to use it yet because I have a few on the go. But let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me do a review on this because I could probably swing that for you. So dropping shit. So far, not overly impressed. These are two things that I don't know. Okay, so the next thing up is, this is by Touch in Soul. This is the Pretty Filter Glowdiant makeup palette. So I'm gonna open it up in just a second. It's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. This retails for $34 and it is a new launch. Interesting. I like that it's a new launch. So I'm gonna open it up. I have so many face palettes. It's so funny. I went from having like one face palette to having like 3,000 face palettes. So weird living here and hearing cars because I never used to hear cars where we lived before. Maybe a tractor. Farm vehicles. Definitely not people or cars. Why can't I open you without ripping it? I'm gonna have to rip this open. Well, I guess I'm trying this. So it's a tin package. We're gonna open it up. Oh. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna have to play around with that. So they're different shades, but I guess you could use one at a time, or you could kind of swirl them all together. That's them right there. I wasn't planning on swatching, but might as well. Super pretty. I will definitely use that, but I just don't know how I feel about them all being mixed together. I have seen a couple different products like this lately. I like that it comes with a full-size mirror, so I will definitely be putting this to the test. Wish me luck. I hope it's good. Pretty excited for this. And then, ooh, whoa, this is a full-size cleanser from Glam Glow. This is pore refining. This is their super cleanse clearing cream to foam cleanser. We'll read the little card. That's it right there. This is an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. I will definitely use this. I have a few on the go, but I'm getting close to finishing them. So it is sealed. I'm not going to use it yet, but you will hear about this in the future. We got a Glam Glow from BoxyCharm last year, and I loved that cleanser. I know some people didn't love it, but I personally loved it. It was good. So that I'm excited for. And then we have this from LaLa Beauty. Is this that one that I tried once that was horrible? So this retails for $42. This is Say Hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. $42. Now, I'm pretty sure I've had this palette before. I'm pretty sure I threw this palette in the garbage because it sucked. I really hope that this is... It's the exact same palette. No, it might be different. It is a different palette. So I did actually have a palette from this brand, and I didn't like it at all. These are a little bit more rich looking. I like that color. I will do a video if anyone's interested. So this is a different palette than the one I tried. The one I tried I didn't like. So maybe this could be a redeemable moment for them. Other than that, I'm not overly, it's worth more than what I spent, but this is the only thing I'm actually really excited for, and it's really not even that I'm not that excited for it. Like, it's interesting. It's okay. I'm not excited for it. I have a new cleanser. I'm not excited for it. This might suck. I'm not excited for it. I don't use lashes. And I got a primer. And last month, I actually deleted that video because I just couldn't do it. Last month, I got 2 primers in my BoxyCharm. So frig off with the primers already. Like, seriously. Nobody needs that many primers. But to be honest, this month is not... No. I did order add-ons, and I'm happy with what I ordered in add-ons. I will do a separate unboxing because I haven't got it yet. But to be honest, I don't think that this is worth what I spent on it. It's shit that I didn't need. I hate that about BoxyCharm. Sometimes you're really good, and then sometimes you really friggin' suck. Why? Why is everything like that? Why am I being super bitchy right now? I don't know. I try not to be super bitchy, and I feel like I can only unbox so many bad boxes from you, BoxyCharm, before I'm gonna actually upload one. So, you're welcome. I'm just not overly impressed with this at all. Please let me know in the comments below. Do you subscribe to BoxyCharm? Do you like BoxyCharm? Do you hate BoxyCharm? And do you have any of these products? Are any of them good or any of them crappy? What do you think? And how is your day going? I absolutely love hearing from you guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Can you hear the truck? What's going on out there? Who's backing up? This is an advanced cleanser.